Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I'm going to be planning in my Dollar Tree planner, which is in this Walmart Pen and Gear Traveler's Notebook. This is the Dollar Tree planner. So let's go ahead and take that out. And we are going to be planning the first week of February, which is the 1st through the 7th. This is last week. I'm still on the plan or decorate with me or decorate with no plans or notes or journaling or anything. I don't know. But I'm going to keep it pushing until I get the desire back. So let me show you some of the other things that I have print and cut or just print. So I printed some more greenery from the seasonal pages. These flowers I actually cut out and are from, I did a little graphics work on these. These are from the Graphics Fairy. These are coming to patrons. They're dark red boxes, similar, well, the same as the black boxes, just a different color. And patrons will be receiving a variety of colors of these boxes. So, and then this is from my graphic stash. I just pulled some leaves off of another rose that I had. So these are rose leaves. Then we're getting into a sneak peek of a journal kit that I have coming. These are all the patterns that will be included in the kit. So you've got the heart pattern, you've got this pattern in red and pink. Then you got the houndstooth, and you've got red roses. Now all these patterns will be 12 by 12, so you can print them vertically or horizontally. That is why I do the 12 by 12. So you have easy access to print them in any orientation that you want. Okay, so that is that. So I'm not saying I'm using all of this on this spread, but I will be using some of it. I was thinking I could use the roses in the header. We are in February, the month of love, the month of Valentine's Day. So I'm not really into Valentine's Day, but I do sometimes like to decorate for it. So that's what we're gonna do. So let's see. I think this is 1 inch in height. Yes. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and do it. Make it 1 inch. However, I still may come back with some washi up there as well. Oh, speaking of washi, these are the washi's that I pulled to work with. They may seem a little strange, but I wanted to try something different. I'm getting a little bored with planning stuff because it's like, I feel like I keep doing the same thing over and over again. And so I feel like I want some variety. Just want to try something different. And I think I need a new blade on here too. So there's that. That might be a little too tall. Is that enough to go all the way across? I think it is. Let's see what we can do, what we got. I'm not sure when the kit will be available. I keep adding stuff to it and I just don't feel like it's complete, but I may just go ahead and at least put up some of the parts of it because it does come in different sections or parts. So we'll see. If you're interested, make sure you check the community tab and I'll post it there. And I'll also be doing a video on my other channel showing the whole kit, and I've actually already started a project using the kit, so that's gonna be good. Okay, I did cut this a little too wide, so we're gonna come down over the line a little bit. think I'm gonna cut it right there instead of trying to go all the way across the fold. And then we can hit the other side. I'm gonna try and cut it because I'll probably cut it crooked. Getting a little bit better at the tearing of things other than washi tape. Okay, so that's our header. Then I was thinking, since I have a color blocked washi and I used it last week up there, that we could try it again this week. But I'm gonna just hold off on that because we're mixing metals quite a bit this week. So let's see how our mixed metals look. So I don't think I have another black Stardust, and this one is like rose gold. But I need black to do what I'm going to do. So let's see. I'm just going to use a little bit. And yeah, I probably will come back up there. I don't know. So I kind of want to do a little something different here. Let's see if this is going to work. Then I'm going to take the red. And finish it. So this could take a while. Oh, I left a gap. So wait, can we move it over? Okay, so this is gonna be a little more complicated than I thought, but I'm gonna make it work. Not a very good tear. So then we're gonna come on across. Maybe I should name my spread No Plans, Plan With Me, and just roll with it. I'm thinking about that. Okay, so I did all the red. I'm gonna go back and do all of the black. I don't know if I should put the red up there or the black. I think the black bows work better than the red. So now we got our washi down. Let us do some days of the week. Now I have these that were from the 25 days of digital giveaways. They are still available to patrons. We used the black ones last week. Those would have been perfect. I think this red is a little too bright for this. Let's see. What about this? I'm thinking I'll either use the red text or the black text. I'm thinking the black. I don't know. I think the black may look best. If I'm going to do it this way. Why not? Let's do it. I'm just thinking maybe I should have used something with more of an elegant font on this. I don't know. But this is what I got. And the stickers with a more of an elegant font are so small you can't really see them. On these 5x7 pages. Now let's see. I didn't pick a doll. I think I'm gonna use her. Let me make sure. Yeah, I'm gonna use her. What is her name? Zori from COCO'S Vision. You want to shop COCO'S Vision? The information is in the description box below. And you can use my code Rachelle20 to save on your order. And I think I want to put her here. No, I'm gonna put it right here. I like that. And then some numbers. Now I was thinking of using the circles like I did last week, but I'm gonna use these. So we're talking about the 1st is Monday. Can't believe that. I'm not even caught up with January yet. And here's, I guess I could get in frame. 2nd. So then, I don't think I need them. I would like to put some kind of quote up here or something. Let's see. I know Farmhouse has a lot of rose gold stuff. That would have been nice. Let's see what Gold Star Quotes has. I'm sure there's others. I don't flip through my books enough to know what's in what book. Let's see. I don't know. I wasn't gonna put boxes, but maybe I will. So let's see. I really don't want to. I kind of want to just keep this week simple. And I printed flowers, but I don't know that I even want to use those. I think this looks good just the way it is. Okay, it can use a little oops, oomph. Mm-hmm. Put that right there. Okay, so I decided against the boxes, even though I used the box right there for the quote. I'm not gonna overdo it with the boxes this time. So let's see if we want to put this up here. I mean, it could go either way, but I'm gonna use it because I need to use my washi. Let's see, we want to put some down at the bottom. Okay, let's see what we can do up here. Maybe I should use one of the bright reds instead of the dark red. Okay, keeping it simple this week, kind of. And I think that's gonna be it. Even though I don't like the way this looks so rough right here. I'm gonna leave it. I may get the X-Acto knife and clean it up a little later. But for now, that is it. That is the spread. Let's pop it back into the notebook. See what we got. So that's it. That's the spread. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for craft videos and junk journals. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at Scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.